If you're thinking about color PPF, I'm gonna go over everything you need to know in this video about clear, stealth, vinyl, and the differences and what options are available for you. So please watch to the end. This is a 2025 Model Y, actually the new body style. This is the first one, actually, that I've seen. We're doing a color change on it with PPF. He was gonna do vinyl, but once he heard about paint protection film, he wanted the best of both worlds. So he decided to pick a color that would provide the look he wants and protection at the same time. You're not losing anything, you're just gaining another look for your vehicle. It's the same level of protection that you receive from the clear of the stealth. They had an idea of what they were looking for, but because color PPF is so new to the industry, I can't stand behind everybody that offers it. I do business with a company that I trust, and they back this company that I'm using now. And I trust them to the point where I 100% trust the film. But I do suggest to clients, don't shop around for your own film. Get with a professional installer and let them help you with that selection, because it's like I said, it's a very new product, and it's very easy to end up with not what you want in a very nice way to put it. We have a color chart just like you do with vinyl, like any other color change product. We have a color chart that you can take a look at and make a selection on, what you're looking for. The concern that most people probably have with PPF, what I can tell is, color PPF that is, probably the cost and what is it going to take to get the level of install that they're personally looking for. I can't really say yeah and nay on that because you got wrap installers that do PPF, so I can't just say that a wrap installer can't do PPF, because we also offer dry PPF in the industry now too, which almost goes on similar to like a vinyl. The other color change that we've been working on, that PPF over there is wet and dry install. This is wet only install. So you get different characteristics. Basically, yep, it's going to depend on the experience that the shop has to really answer that question. And I'm trying to answer these questions without offending any other fellow shop owners with my honesty. The reason color PPF is more is, for one, you're adding color to it. The installation level is totally different than gloss or stealth. Like I said, you gotta hide more, you gotta cover more stuff, wrap more edges. You're not just protecting the car at this point, you're also trying to hide the original color of the vehicle too. So that could be pretty challenging depending on the shop and depending on the expectations. And at the same time, people have to keep in mind the film cost could be different depending on the colors, because different colors require different ways to make it and so forth like that. So the film cost could change, so there's no flat film cost for it. It's just based on the color that the customer is looking for. It's a great option if you can afford it, but I will say, if it's in your budget rather, but I will say this, there is nothing wrong with still using vinyl, because we offer vinyl here too as well. And there's some vehicles we can't get the color in color PPF, so the customer will go with vinyl, and then we'll put PPF on top of the vinyl. Yes, it's a little bit more pricey doing it that way, but at the same time, I have customers that actually prefer it that way. They rather have two separate products put together than just what they feel like is one. So it's a preference thing. And then if you don't want to PPF the whole car, you can always wrap the vehicle in vinyl as if you painted it, and then just put PPF in all the high impact areas, like a full front, track pack, and so forth, and protect it. And we've done that with several Cybertrucks and vinyl jobs, where we're just protecting the front ends. If we happen to not have a color in PPF, vinyl would always be a great option to look for a color in. And like I said, we can always wrap that color with PPF for you to protect the vehicle. And at the same time, we can do stuff like graphics on vinyl and then put PPF over all that stuff too. So you have cool options either way. Basically, there's no set way that's better than the other one. It's just based on your needs and what you're looking for and what your expectations are. And if you come check us out at Platinum Auto Armor, we can help you make those decisions and execute for you with no problem. If you want to learn more about PPF, go check out some of our other videos. Subscribe.